Good morning. This is insane. I've never saw something like this. Very impressive. Yus, are we going to swim? A fresh dive in the morning. Today we are going to explore a little bit. This time will not be a video about business, about all of those things, about self-development. Today we're going to just have fun. Today we're in Ubud, Bali. It's a beautiful place, as you can see. It's crazy. We're going to Monkey Forest. We're going to do a lot of fun things. What the fuck is this? Isn't this beautiful, Putu? So, okay, Monkey Forest opens at 9.
And it's now
8:15. 8:15. How long is it to Monkey Forest from here?
I think around 20 minutes.
20 minutes, let me see. It's 24 minutes. 24. So it's like, I think we can slowly move there right now. Because we will arrive 10 minutes earlier. But maybe the whole forest is empty, so we can play with the monkey. Okay. Let's go. First monkeys that I'm going to see here. I haven't seen wild monkeys. You?
No, only you.
And Putu, also a monkey. We cannot look them in the eye. They're gonna get aggressive.
Basically how real life works as well.
I have bought a selfie. So we can make a selfie with the monkey, that the monkey is making the selfie. So we'll see how this will go.
Yo, stop. Yeah, don't touch them. No, no, yeah, wait. Just like that,
Alright, that's funny. Almost. Cheers. Yeah. Okay, I lost my water. He's drinking it right now there. No.
That's no.
Usually
you can do anything. Tahan yang
he's showing. Get in your bag now. Pretty heavy. It's now getting busier as well.
Yeah.
Waking up early in the morning, you just beat the whole world. Yeah. The whole world is still sleeping.
If you beat the sun, you're already winning.
Yeah. Now it's time for a break for coconut. It's 30 minutes to your home. All right, let's go. We're at the place of Putu now. You have a very nice house, man. Your family is great. And we're going to grab coconuts from the tree. You already set the ladder here. You need to show me first.
I think it's just twisting, right?
Yeah. Nice. Got it. Oh, there's no way. And now you need to cut it like. All right. Nice. Yeah, it's good. It's more sweet than the other ones I've had in the restaurant.
Need to be very careful.
Ah, I see something. After hard work. Now you need to try. Maybe you're better in it. Splash. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Proost, man. Cheers.
Oh, this is much better.
It's really good. Self-made.
It's so light.
Yeah, it's really light. It's like stone? What is it?
It's cement.
Nice. Let's take a look at who can do the longest handstand, alright?
1, 2, 3.
Shit. I was waiting for you to fall. Sweet. Second. And now who can do the best salto? Nice.
How do you do that?
I don't know. First time. I've never tried it before. He's a ninja. If you fall, you need to save the fall.
Doing that. If you're gonna land on your back, like when you don't have a shirt on grass, it's gonna itch the whole time.
Balinese grass is different.
Yeah.
Back in the days, I used to do free running. Free running is like doing flips and parkour.
Oh, some kind of like parkour.
Yeah, it's like parkour, and that's where I started with YouTube. If you go to my very first video on YouTube, it's free running. When I was 14 years old, I was doing the flips and stuff. Your family is very nice, man. It's really nice to see how you live here. Beautiful place, and yeah, right now we're going to catch some fish. Like a real fisherman, we're gonna chill. Let's catch a fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Yeah. And what do I do?
Yeah. Pull.
What do I do? Hey. He's gone. But I'm getting closer.
A few minutes later.
Wheel! What the fuck is this? We catch the fish. Okay, now? Usually catched a
Branch.
branch. Nice. Nice throw.
3 days later.
Putu, welcome back. How are you?
I'm good.
Good? Good to see you again. Come in, the sun is shining today. It's pretty warm. Usually it's chilling here.
Hey, Yus.
What's up?
What's up, man?
So good. It's actually pretty chill here. It's a little bit hot today, but it's better. We're organizing an event today. I will close it for you before it will get warm inside as well. We're organizing a barbecue today. This is the last weekend that we are in Bali. Next weekend we are leaving. And we have met a lot of great people, so we was thinking like, why don't we organize a little event for all of the people that we have met here? So within an hour, there will come a lot of great entrepreneurs right over here. I need to go in a meeting right now, it's 4 o'clock. So after I finish my meeting, I will show you around a little bit. Quick meeting. De wireframe, dat is gewoon grijs. Weet je, dat we gewoon van een complete homepagina hebben die niet te lang moet zijn gestopt. En dat we die dan zeg maar even invullen. En je mag die van mij ook al wel gewoon direct invullen, want dan kan ik ook even kijken of we kunnen regelen en daar misschien nog even kort contact over kunnen. finished. That was the last meeting of today. So that means 45 minutes and then the first guest will arrive. Oh. We can do that later. So we have 45 minutes. But you know what is funny? Like I'm organizing a barbecue, but I have not prepared anything because there are coming, I think, 2 or 3 chefs who are going to do the barbecuing. But it feels very weird that in, I think, 40 minutes this place will be full of people and I don't have anything inside of the house. I only have water and some bottles. But yeah, actually we're at a quiet, beautiful place. Actually the most beautiful part of this villa is here. Also the reason why we are doing the barbecue. It's a beautiful place and with a beautiful view.
But it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky. Now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married. At the beat I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. Said love and I'm alone, but that's not what I see. Look what I got, look what you taught me. Love all that I say. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking spend my time with my friends.
What do you think about the party tonight? Amazing. Good food, good people. That's what we like, eh?
Alright, time to sleep.